Why is South Africa so content in provoking the United States? So, May 9 until 16 January, South Africa will be hosting Navy drills for BRICS nation under the banner ethi the Will for Peace. So, Navy drills will be led by China. So, why is South Africa so content? Why is this in provoking the United States? Obviously, we've had Navy drills with multiple countries. So, having Navy drills with BRICS nation is not an issue. But firstly, BRICS is an economic bloc. So why is an economic bloc having military drills? Phela thina BRICS akusiyi NATO. Like we don't have a military alliance with any country under BRICS. So why are we having navy or military drills nalama countries lang? And secondly, not like having military drills again is not an issue. But abantu abazobe participate in these drills yibo abazoba issue. Because we have Iran which will be participating in these drills, and the Iran has president as Iran has articulated that it is at war with the West. Russia will be participating with the drills. And the Russia is a war, is in war near Ukraine, and the Ukraine or Russia is one with the West, including United States. China will be leading now participating in the drills lang. And China is preparing for war in the South China Sea against Taiwan. You understand? And riding a full United States. So why is South Africa so content with provoking United States? Like it's Tembeni Buffett. Because manje as things stands, i-America ayisifuni njengokwethu, and America is a powerhouse. Recently njengoba sibonile, i-America iceda kidnapper i-president yase-Venezuela from his own country. Nge-25 zaka-December, i-America bombed i-Nigeria, claiming ukuthi nama-Islam terrorists abuse ama-Christians. And ngoNovember, i-America bombed i-Iran using 2 fighter jets, bombing ama-bunkers ase-Iran. So like why thina species alina countries which are against America, and America is proven to be like a force to be reckoned with. Firstly, America is funny. Like Tina, we have a bone of contention in America because of the ICJ case. Israel. And America wants us to drop the case. America is accusing us ukuthi we are unaliving white farmers. And even though we know that's a lie, it doesn't stop America. The same way it did not stop America to kidnap President of Venezuela, knowing very well Nicolas is not selling drugs. America is accusing us our laws are racist, saying our PEE laws are racist. You understand? Kumele stop my laws law. So if we're at odds in America and we need AGOA, we need America as a trading partner, because America is one of our most prominent trade partners. So why are we busy provoking our trading partners for abo BRICS? Even though BRICS as an economic bloc is a good thing, but why are we having navy drills ne BRICS? Why is South Africa so content in provoking America?